Value yourself. Shit. You want your kids to look back and say, man, my motherfucking daddy was out here delivering McDonald's for $3. Gang, we on the map now. We over $20 officially in unconfirmed earnings. Well, like just regular trip earnings on Uber. Now we need some tips to roll through so that we can be over the top. Let me go ahead and turn this thing on around. One time, I don't even be back here like that. I ain't never been back here. A moment of silence. Let's get it. What the fuck is going on here? What's going on here? Lyft pays $3 for rides. I don't even recommend you touch Lyft. Uber rideshare. Uber sent me a $3 ride earlier today. They straight tweaking. Look at this shit. Upside down, dumbass migrant dasher, dumb stupid dookie dasher order. Look at this shit. Extra dumbass. Look, they took it away. They knew I wasn't gonna take it. I'm not taking that. What is that? That is not for me. Ain't no way that was for me. That must have been somebody else's order. Cause ain't no way they thought I even was gonna think about taking that. Only thing I'm taking from that order is a screenshot, and that's it. What the fuck is wrong with them? What the fuck is wrong with them? Boy, look. $9, 13. Boy, I get a screenshot. Give me that screenshot. This screenshot is valuable. Goddamn me. Hold on. They got me messed up. I'm not. No. What is this? What is this? Where is DoorDash? Let me switch back over to DoorDash. $8.50 for 10 miles. You lucky I missed that one. You lucky. The screenshot, what the screenshot do? Get me that YouTube ad revenue. Stop playing with me. You know how this shit work. You know you love them fucking screenshots. That's all y'all want to see is a damn screenshot. Motherfucking screenshot and a cha-ching sound. That's all you want to see. And I got you. I'm slanging screenshots on YouTube. Here go your favorite order right here. Look. Top Dash, your favorite order right here. Look. $5, 4 miles. Oh shit. Look, I'm talking shit, but that's not bad though. Look. I was talking shit, but I'm wrong. I'm far away. I'm going to that McDonald's to go down there. I'm gonna do that. Cause that's not actually 4 miles. Look, I almost misspoke on that one. But y'all saw me in real time. I accepted that one. This one ain't a dummy order. Cause this is where I'm headed to. But all the other ones, oh yeah, them was definitely dummy orders, you know. It may look a little bit hypocritical, but you gotta look at the fine print sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta look at that fine print. This one is $5 for 1 mile. It's $5 for 1 mile because that McDonald's, the pickup and the drop-off distance is 1 mile away. And that's where I was just at. $5 for 4 miles is not good. $5 for 1 mile is good. Let's go. Watch when I pick up this McDonald's order. I'm going to show you in real time. When I pick up this McDonald's order, it's going to say, I'm going to show y'all what the distance is on the delivery. And we're going to see if it's 1 mile. It may even be less than a mile. But we're going to see. Because I was dipping from over here anyways. Oh my God, it looks like it's about to rain. Let me get a thumbs up if you think it's going to rain, guys. Because it's looking like it's about to rain. Like for real, for real. Yeah, that's not looking good. Them clouds look pretty dark. Hold on now. What's up, Sarah? What's up, Sincere? What's up, Pat? Jersey man in the building. Still, I appreciate you. You an OG. NHL slow-mo. That was a dummy order. It looked like a dummy order, but this is where I gotta go. This is where I was at in the beginning. Over here by this original Taco Bell for that taco smell. So you know what? This is gonna be $5 for 1 mile. This is not $5 for 4 miles like it looked like. Because if I picked up and I drove it 4 miles away, that would be $5 for 4 miles. This one is gonna be $5 for 1 mile. And I'm gonna show you when we pull up that from pickup, delivery distance, it's gonna be 1 mile. It will. Now, this is DoorDash. So you gotta realize they're not gonna send me no add-on for McDonald's. UberEats, they will stack anything with anywhere. Uber Eats don't give a damn. You know, they'll send you a Chick-fil-A and they'll stack it with a McDonald's orders. You know, they really have no chill when it comes to what they will stack together. But DoorDash, they got some type of agreement going on with McDonald's and Chick-fil-A.